Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. I'm always looking for simple and easy ways to update spaces in my home. And this closet right off of our front door was the perfect place for peel and stick wallpaper. This wallpaper by Okydoky was really easy to work with. I've always loved herringbone, so I think this pattern is so fun. This closet went from dark and cluttered to bright and fabulous. I didn't spend a whole lot of time trying to line the pattern up, but it's not super noticeable. We previously just had one wire shelf in here, but after I put the wallpaper up, my husband built these shelves, so now it's much more functional and organized. And now I'm not embarrassed when I open this closet when guests are over. It truly was a hot mess before. I hung some cute artwork my sister painted for me, and I just love how it all came together. I am a big fan of peel and stick wallpaper. It really can update a space without investing a lot of money. I really love the way it turned out, but that's just my point of view.